Welcome back to the channel, folks. Now, some of you may know that I'm a big fan of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's my new favorite phone of the year, but it's not perfect. As I said in my Pixel 9 Pro Fold review, it has its quirks. One of the quirks happens to be the wireless charging situation. Now, the 9 Pro Fold does have wireless charging, but what makes this a little funky is it has the wireless charging coil a little lower on the phone. So wireless charging stands that are optimized for normal phones don't really work. Case in point, the Pixel Stand 2. Now, one of the things about the Pixel Stands 2 is they advertise and they put in the fine print that this won't work with your 9 Pro Fold. But with a slight modification or an adapter, you can make this work. This works fine on a regular flat wireless charger. The issue really is with the stands, right? So now if I put this on a flat wireless charger, you'll see it'll charge fine, but you have to line it up properly with the coil. So if you look, there you go. But the coil is on the bottom, so it's unbalanced, right? If you move it to a balanced position, the charging doesn't really work. Now, if I put it on the Pixel Stand 2 rather, you'll see here that it's not going to charge. Unlike its older brother, you put the original Pixel Fold on the stand and it starts to charge. And 1, 2, there we go. It's charging. Now, to get this to work on the Pixel Stand 2, you have to elevate it a little bit so that the coil actually lines up with where the coil is on the stand. So I have an adapter that I created and I put right here. By the way, I think on Reddit, there's some folks that have 3D printed some sort of adapters that can make this work as well. If I find the link, I'll put it in the description below. But you have to elevate it on the stand. If you have a Pixel Stand 2, you don't need to buy a new wireless charging stand. You can do this. Boom. There we go. And it's charging. There we go. Now, you can also go another route. If you buy a MagSafe case, a case with MagSafe compatibility, you can get it to work with all MagSafe wireless charging stands. One like this. And I'll link to this in the description below, but you need a case for it. Now, I have a thin-borne case that I use on the daily to help protect my Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So I'm going to put that on here so you can see that the MagCase stands, the MagCase wireless charging stands work just fine as well for charging. Boom. There we go, charging. So if you're worried about the wireless charging, or you heard about the funky wireless charging situation, there's ways around it. But also, the Pixel Stand 2 does work, but you got to do a little MacGyvering. For those of you who don't know, I may be a little too young, MacGyver always found a way, and we can too. So, just a quick video to give you an update. I had some friends and family who have a Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and they were complaining about wireless charging. So I thought maybe I should create a little video to help show people that there's ways around the wireless charging situation to make it work on your 9 Pro Fold. Pixel Stand 2 does work. You need to be MacGyver. Also, you can use MagSafe charging stands if you have a MagSafe case. There's a bunch of cases, not as expensive as this thin-borne case, on Amazon. I'll leave some links to those as well in the description, and you can check it out. Because wireless charging on flat wireless chargers, something like this, sometimes it leaves it unbalanced, and a stand may be better. So if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you know of any other wireless charging solutions, put them in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like, subscribe, and notification icon to be notified when I drop another video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.